All right. So now the question becomes, what do you do next? If you're still uncommitted right now, you cannot keep approaching recruiting the same way you did 6 months ago. This is the time to reset your entire plan. And honestly, over the next 7 days, your goal is not perfection. Your goal is momentum. And here's what I want you to do if you're a senior athlete sitting in this position right now. Step one, shrink your list immediately. Stop chasing 30 or 40 schools. That phase is over. Right now, you need to identify 3 to 5 realistic schools that fit you academically, athletically, socially, and financially. Not fantasy schools, real schools. These schools are where you can actually have an opportunity. Step two, rebuild your list honestly. This is where you have to stop lying to yourself. Can you get admitted there? Can your family afford it? And do they actually need your position? Or can you realistically compete there? That honesty matters right now because the families that pivot quickly are usually the ones that still find opportunities late. Step three, do a quick roster analysis. This is something most families never do. Go look at the roster. How many seniors are graduating? How many players are returning at your position? Do they already bring in transfers? Did they recruit multiple players at your spot already? Sometimes a roster will tell you more than a coach's email response. And honestly, this is exactly what college coaches are doing when they recruit you. They evaluate fit. You need to do the same thing. Step four, reach out to coaches immediately. Don't wait another week or month. Send the email, introduce yourself, attach your film, explain why you are interested in their program, and be honest. Tell them, I'm looking for the right fit and I'd love the opportunity to speak with you. At this stage, communication matters more than ever. Step five, apply to the school. This is a huge mistake families make. They email coaches for weeks and never actually apply to the college. Coaches can't fully help you if you haven't taken that step, especially at Division III schools where admissions and enrollment matter heavily. Step six, visit the campus if possible. Even unofficially, walk the campus. If you have an opportunity, meet the coach, see the residence halls, talk to admissions, and sit down face to face. At Division two and three levels, especially, relationships still matter, and they matter a lot. Step seven, stop chasing big name schools and start chasing fit. This is probably the biggest mind shift that you need right now. You're choosing the next 4 years of your life, not an Instagram graphic, not a social media announcement, a real college experience, a real education, and an opportunity. And honestly, some of the happiest and most successful former athletes I know ended up at schools they weren't even considering a year earlier, but they found that right fit, and that changed everything.